Hey, what's up guys? Ghosty with me this time on Ghosty Cars. So I do have a project for us to work on next. If you guys saw my Instagram, it is a 1997 F250 and yeah, it's got the Triton, which I'm sure if you guys are into cars, you probably know what the Triton is. You probably know all the problems with the Triton. But yeah, so this is my grandpa's truck that I'm going to restore, and I'm going to fix up and kind of get it working again. If you look up, it's obviously been sitting for a while. This thing has been in my family since 1997. When my uncle got it, my grandpa bought it, and now it's at my mom's. So I'm gonna fix it up. What I've already done already is I've already done the radio, so it has an upgraded radio. The old radio was just like a set that was broken. That just kind of does that. But yeah, so this is the truck. I'm gonna go ahead and do a walk around, just showing you guys everything with it. But first, I'm gonna say the other thing I did. So this thing is very, very weird. So it's been sitting for 12 years of its life, and one day my mom drove it, and the spark plug just popped out. It left the chat. It didn't even put an F in chat. It just left. It straight up just ghosted the engine. So me and my uncle last year, I was gonna restore it and everything, and I was gonna put it back to OEM plus condition. And basically what happened is that I ran out of money, and it was just a lot. But officially now, somehow, some way, this thing starts, and I'm gonna go ahead and start it, and I'm gonna go ahead and do a walk around for you guys. You can hear the exhaust leak. So this thing is extremely weird because there's a manifold leak. So every time you drive it, you gotta put down the windows, both windows. But overall, it's really clean inside. So let me go ahead, and you can already hear the exhaust fumes on this thing. Ignore the flip-flops because I just got up. Yeah, it's been sitting quite a long time. There's a lot of rust even on there. Wow, I didn't even notice that rust right there. But yeah, the exhaust is not fully hooked up because of the fact that, I was putting it in and ran out of time. So that's that. I mean, it's overall a nice truck. It has power windows, so that's nice. But yeah, so this is where the exhaust manifold leak is under here. You can already hear it. I can feel the air just like coming out of here. But yeah, let me go ahead and pop that up for you guys and see what we're dealing with and everything. Gotta love the My Chemical Romance in the car. Gotta love that. Gotta love it. Alright, gotta love whenever the light starts flickering. But this is the 5.4 Triton V8. It's got things just rattling around in there. Surprisingly, this thing, like, for sitting as long as it has, I can feel the intake or something. Something right here is blowing. And that's the exhaust. It's coming up like right here up under me. But I'm surprised this thing even runs. I think that just is a good reason to actually put some work into this, because legitimately, like, I don't think any other truck or car would be running as well as this. This is a budget cord because, whatever. But so the cylinder that we gotta fix is this one right under there. Somewhere like right there. Or right somewhere, yeah. Right, the first one. So I'm gonna make another video momentarily replacing that, or do we need manifold, whichever one comes first. But yeah, so, and I'm gonna be uploading this video separately from that one, so just an overview of the car itself, or the truck. You can hear the difference in the exhaust. It's very loud. But yeah, so, and surprisingly, it's a 1997, but it does have push entry, or kilos entry, which is surprising for the time. There's a lot of stuff on that truck that just is a lot. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. My name is Ghost, and I do car stuff. So yeah, I hope you guys stay spooky, my friends, and also check out my Instagram below, and I'll update. I usually post my reels to there first, and then I upload them to YouTube. So yeah.